Alright, here is a 42-inch antique brass Hugger ceiling fan. I got this ceiling fan over a year ago off of eBay. I don't remember how much I got it for, but I think it was April of last year. So I've had this fan for quite a while now. And actually just recently I hooked it up for the very first time. I did not make a video of this fan on my old channel because it has been hanging in my room ever since I first bought it, and I finally installed it down here in the garage. I also put this 5-way light kit on it that I got off of that CEI fan from Habitat. I think it looks pretty good on here. Also, this area of the garage needs light because we got my workbench and my dad's workbench. It's got reversible stencil blades to non-stencil blades. It's got footprint vents. I believe this is a lighter Hugger. People have told me that, and I think that's the brand. Never actually heard of that brand before. And I got 5 CFLs in there. Also, the blades come really close to touching this part of the ceiling that comes down very close. Actually, this wire here was hitting them, so I had to put tape on it. I put electrical tape there first, then that came off, then I tried duct tape and that came off, and then I tried that blue non-paint peeling tape, that special kind that you can put on walls and it won't peel the paint off. And it's finally on there. My dad says that we're gonna have to put a staple there so it can stay up permanently, but for now the tape works. So back to the ceiling fan. So I got these identical brown builder pull chains on it. This one originally came with the fan, and this one I borrowed off of my Fastco Gulfstream. There's the light, nice and bright. And unfortunately is not one of those 3-way setting pull chains. It's just either all on or all off. And now for low. Yeah, the bugs are attracted to that light at night like crazy. Medium. High. And off. So that is it. This is my 42-inch antique brass lighter Hugger ceiling fan. I have never actually hooked this fan up before, so it's kind of exciting to see it running for the very first time. Anyways, so that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you for watching. The Russian Fazbear, out.